Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this particular one we would be reviewing a very special product. It's actually a phone's case, and when I say we, you'll be discovering why I said we shortly. So this case is actually from Otterbox, and it's designed specifically for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And Otterbox has actually made a name for itself as one of the best in manufacturing, premium military grade cases for flagship phones and all. And I literally had to get this for myself, seeing and knowing very well that I'm not really the kind of guy that can use a phone without having it drop on the floor every now and then, so I had to get the very best. So I thought, so this is how to get the case off its back, and the last thing that was taken off there was the clip. So that's the Note 20 Ultra and the silicone case. So first thing you would want to do is detach the three components: the silicone rubber at the back, and the two clips in front. So the one at the bottom, you place the phone inside of it, and you take the cover, the one above, to enclose the phone into the case, just like so. Afterwards, you insert the rubber back behind. So you also ensure you clip properly. And then you insert it nicely like so. One second, I just had to insert my SIM pin just so I don't lose it. I'm sorry for taking this long. It wouldn't actually take you this long to actually insert, so I sincerely apologize. And voila, we have our case installed, and the last thing remaining would just be the clip. So you can actually use your case like so, unless you would love the clip, maybe you want to clip it to your pocket or anything, which would actually make it more bulky, and you pay the sacrifice of enclosing your camera. Sometimes I do love enclosing my camera so that people don't really know the particular phone I'm using. Yeah, it's just gonna be this bulky. So if you don't have any problems with that, then well done, go ahead. So that right there is just how to install your case, and just me trying to test out charging in a situation where you're trying to charge. This is literally what you may have to go through. Well, not to worry, once you've used it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should have gotten used to it. And yeah, thank you so much guys. Now let my friend say hi to you. No, move the camera from here. I don't do no me know why people face this side. Like make it be rectangular like that.